Our train will travel over the UK's busiest main line. Scheduled journey time for the 184 miles is just 2 hours and 8 minutes, making an average speed of 86 miles an hour. The X, or cross, means we're taking the underpass route to join the down fast line. Signalling for the first 30 miles is under the control of Wembley Mainline Signal Control Centre. We pass Kensal Green Station, opened in 1916. We're now just 500 yards as the crow flies from the Great Western Main Line on the other side of a large burial ground. Ironically, the cemetery is where the great Isambard Kingdom Brunel himself is interred. This is where the 1844-built West London line from Clapham Junction converges. Just afterwards, the North London line from Richmond to Stratford passes overhead. It opened in 1860. You'll notice many dual speed signs. The 120, with a yellow background, applies solely to tilting trains, the letters EPS standing for Enhanced Permissible Speed. The degree of tilt becomes particularly noticeable as we take the inner curve towards Watford Junction. The mainline station opened in 1858, concurrent with the St Albans Abbey branch. The DC lines rejoin from the left to terminate at the junction.
Manchester Piccadilly, forward Stoke-on-Trent, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. This train has 11 carriages.
While at Milton Keynes, we can take a brief look inside Rugby's Rail Operating Centre, where the route control manager is based for Network Rail's LNW South area. Up until 1958, there was also a station here, an original from the line's opening. The former station building still exists to our left. The line ahead continues to Stafford and Crewe, etc., the main artery of the West Coast Main Line to Glasgow. This boat is heading for another Harecastle tunnel on the Trent and Mersey Canal. It's coming from various routes such as Leeds and Glossop converge. We're signalled into Platform 6. The two lines to our far left, opened in 1849, lead to platforms 13 and 14, which are through lines towards Oxford Road Station and onward destinations such as Liverpool.